we're going to explore how to remove multiple indexes from a Python list. This isn't as straightforward as removing a single element, but there are several efficient ways to accomplish it. 1. Using list comprehension with index filtering. This is often the most Pythonic and efficient approach for removing elements based on their index. List comprehension allows you to create a new list containing only the elements you want to keep. Let's say you have a list, my list, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and you want to remove elements at indexes 1, 3, and 5. You would create a new list excluding those indexes. Python mylist 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Indexes to remove equal 1, 3, 5. Using a set for efficient lookup new list, ISAs, mylist I. For I in range, len mylist. If I not in indexes to remove, print new list. An output, 10, 30, 50. This code iterates through the original list using a for loop and range len mylist to get the index of each element. The if I not in indexes to remove condition checks if the current index is in the set of indexes to remove. If not, the element is added to the new list. Using a set for indexes to remove provides faster lookups compared to a list. Using del with a loop, less efficient. You can iteratively remove elements using the del keyword. However, this method is generally less efficient than list comprehension, especially for large lists, because removing elements shifts the remaining elements, impacting performance. Python mylist 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Indexes to remove equals 1, 3, 5. For index and sorted, indexes to remove, reverse. True. Important. Iterate in reverse to avoid index issues del mylist index print mylist. Output 10, 30, 50. Note that we iterate in reverse order, reverse, true, because if we removed elements from the beginning, the indexes of subsequent elements would change, leading to incorrect deletions. Creating a new list by copying and skipping, less efficient, more readable. For improved readability, especially for those less familiar with list comprehension, you can create a new list explicitly by iterating and copying only the elements you need. This is less efficient than list comprehension because it involves more iterations and memory allocation. Python mylist 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 indexes to remove 1, 3, 5 new list E for I in range len mylist. If I not in indexes to remove new list dot append mylist E. Print new list, nar output 10, 30, 50. In summary, the most efficient and Pythonic way to remove multiple indexes from a list is using list comprehension with a set for efficient index checking. While other methods work, they are less efficient, especially with larger lists. Choose the method that best suits your needs and understanding, keeping performance in mind, especially for large datasets. Remember to always consider whether creating a new list is preferable to modifying the original list in place, depending on the context of your application.